Ashley U Life. In today's class, I wanted to do something fun with my hashtag Year of Glitter that's going on. And so I have a little bit of glitter on my eyes today, but not as much as normal because we are going to do a glitter middle part. Now, I've been wanting to do this for a while. I had this idea in the beginning of the year. I just haven't done it yet. So I have day 2 hair right now. So it's not freshly washed hair. Freshly washed hair got used yesterday. Today is dirty hair. So who cares what we do with it, right? Let's put some glitter in it. Ooh, and also with Coachella coming up, this glitter middle part could be so much fun. I have gone to my fair share of Coachellas and stagecoaches. So you could do anything you want. But this would be just like a really fun way to like amp up your look. Maybe you're one of those people that goes but doesn't want to get too crazy. Like this would be a way to have a little bit of fun, but not being like too crazy. So all you need are 4 things. Your hair styled with an obvious part, glitter obviously, and I'm using NYX Glitter Brilliance, and I'm using gold, and I'm using bronze, and I'm mixing them together so they create kind of a natural glitter part. If you can have a natural glitter part, I'm going for like could be really growing out of your head. If you haven't seen my class on mixing glitters, I'll link it above so you can go check that out because I have a lot of other fun ideas for mixing glitter. You need the glitter primer to make it stick. Again, it's by NYX. And then you need to use something to apply the primer and the glitter. So I'm just gonna use this squared off eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna use the end to apply the primer, and I'm gonna use the brush end to apply the glitter. I already have my glitters mixed and ready to go for that earthy glitter look. And now I'm just going to take my glitter primer and I'm going to put a little bit on the end. Now I'm doing it this way because if I do it with my finger, which you could, I just feel like it's going to spread out the primer too much and there's going to be too much glitter. I just want a really delicate line of glitter, something that's like really subtle, and I feel like I'm going to be able to achieve that using a smaller surface area, and this is definitely smaller than my finger. And now I'm just going to apply it to my part. Oh, I'm so excited. Here we go. I need to add more primer to get all the way back to my whole part. I even took this and laid it flat. Did you see? That actually works pretty nicely. And I'm kind of just blotting it like this, waiting for it to get tacky, kind of like I do for eyelash glue. Now let's apply the glitter. Now if you're wanting to put glitter on your eyes and you don't know how to do that yet, I have a class for that too. Just click the link and go check it out. Now let's glitter the part. Just putting some glitter on the brush. So fun. And I'm just kind of painting along the line down my hairs, just spreading it out a little bit so it kind of blends. Oh my gosh, that's super fun! Now it's kind of hard to see. I don't know if it's hard to see on the camera or not. I have to wait till later until it's bigger, but I love how subtle it is. Like, you're not gonna really know that I have a glitter part until you get a little bit closer to me and go, wait, do you have a glitter part? And I'm gonna be like, yes, I do. And there you have a fun little Coachella hair look for you. Style your hair any way you want and throw some glitter on it and people are gonna be like, hey, look at that, that looks cool. So Coachella of you. Or use it for any other fun event, because I know this won't be the last time I put glitter in my hair for sure. If you do this idea for Coachella, please tag me in your pictures at Ashley U Life. I would love to check them out. And as always, make sure to like and share so other people can like and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class. Let's see what other fun little Coachella-y hair looks I could come up with right now. I got some bobby pins and I got a rubber band. I'm feeling like I want to do little mini top space naughty buns. I don't even know what that means, but I want to do it. Look how fun this is. Little knot buns. Keep your hair out of your face. Your hair can be all crazy. You could even throw up your hair and it'll still look cute. Or you could do a super fun half top bun. Look, you could still see the glitter middle part. Super fun. Or you can get even more crazy and do a double super half top bun. Just saying, the more wild and crazy you are at Coachella, the better. It's really a fun time to try out new looks and things that you've been wanting to try because honestly, no one cares. Everybody is dressed crazy. Like if you think you're dressing crazy or that your hair is crazy, believe me, there's gonna be someone way more crazy than you. So just take this time to be free and try new things because if there's a style that you've been curious about, this is the perfect time to try it. And you don't get comfortable with something unless you wear it for a day or two or more. So take this chance to try something new, like glitter part. Oh, and don't forget about the ever so cute double braids. Again, highlighting the glitter part. Pay close attention to how I tied these braids off. Super fun. If you want to know any more about braids and fun little braid things that you could do that actually would be super awesome for Coachella, to be honest, go check out my playlist under braids and I'll show you how to do a bunch of fun stuff that would actually be super cool for Coachella. Can't believe I didn't think about that. Go check it out. Also, little waterfall braid to the front. Now granted, this look would be good for any kind of like festival concert situation. Coachella is just something that's coming up and that I happen to live nearby, but heck, take it to other festivals, spread it around town, spread it around the world.